Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I integrate ChatGPT in Google Sheet and how I'm using it this way. So first, I need to add the extension from here. Simply just click this button and you will get your extension done. And from this option extension, you will find this SheetGPT enabled here. So when you will be writing this thing fresh, you'll see a button here called Enable SheetGPT. So after that, you can make this make use of ChatGPT here in the Google Sheet. So let's go. I'm showing you an example. Let's say I want to update my bio description as a quality assurance engineer. Write my caption for Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. So this is my prompt. So I'm going to give it a value. Just right here, GPT. Then I'll give my value. So for this value, I'll choose A9. And I want to use for Twitter titles. I will give it a value for P2. And then I will hit enter. Reload some time. And there you go. It generated me a bio description. So I can do the same for Instagram bio caption also. This GPT. I'll give it a value of K9 and value of C2. And now I'll give it a temperature here. So it will be 1. So what is this one will do? It will make a authentic and unique caption for this so that it wouldn't be matching from here. So press enter. It's generating, and there you go. Generate a bio description for Instagram. So now I will do this. I'll give it a value and equal temperature. Enter. I'll be set for the Facebook. So that is GPT. I'll give it a value. Equal. Just really unique. Enter. See, it gives me some influence here, some detailed things. So that's how you will be able to enable ChatGPT using the Google Sheet. So yeah, let's go ahead and try and stay connected for more updates. Bye.